Now let's take a look at how the trades work on Hedged. On the top right of your screen, you will see a bell icon. When Hedged gives a new trade or modifies an existing trade, a notification of the same comes to you as an alert on your desktop. As soon as you click on the bell icon and open the notification, you will be directed to the trade with all the details of the trade. If you are convinced and willing to execute that respective trade, you need to click on the Track This button, which then gives us an indication that you are going to be taking on this trade, and we understand that from that point on you need to be notified when any aspect of our strategy is changed or updated. After tracking the trade, you then go on to your respective broker's app and execute the trade as suggested at the same or similar price level. Tracking a trade will then put that respective trade in your track list. You can modify your track list by clicking on the settings icon on the left of the notifications button. All notifications will have detailed notes explaining any updates and telling you what exactly needs to be done. By spending a mere 5 minutes every day, you can execute trades based on our algorithms without having to conduct extensive research and spending an exhaustive amount of your valuable time looking for trades. Bonus picks on Hedged.in. If you scroll further down on the inbox page, you will see more bonus picks which are made available to users with the Prime and Crown subscriptions. These bonus picks are more safe in nature and they revolve around applying different strategies on the Bank Nifty Index.